In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your existing shipping carrier to Shopify. Whether you're a seasoned Shopify user or just getting started with your e-commerce journey, understanding how to integrate your chosen shipping carrier is a crucial step in managing your online store efficiently. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure that your checkout process is smooth and offers the most accurate shipping costs possible. First, we'll begin by heading over to your Shopify admin page. This is the command center of your online store, where you have access to all the tools needed to customize and manage your business. Once you're logged in, direct yourself to the home page of your store. It's helpful to bookmark this page if you frequently interact with your store settings. Next, look towards the bottom left corner of your admin dashboard and click on Settings. This area of Shopify is packed with options that allow you to configure everything from your store's general details to detailed shipping configurations. It's the foundation of your store's operational structure, so having a good grasp of it is beneficial. After clicking Settings, you'll want to select Shipping and Delivery from the list of options. This section specifically handles how you manage shipping rates and zones, which are key elements for any Shopify store. Since accurate shipping rates directly influence customer satisfaction, it's vital to get this part right. Now, look for the option that says Enable Third-Party Calculated Rates at Checkout. Clicking this will allow you to leverage your own negotiated shipping rates rather than the standard rates provided by Shopify's default settings. For businesses with special agreements or discounts with carriers, this option can potentially save both you and your customers money, which can in turn improve your conversion rates. The next step involves connecting your existing shipping carrier's account. You're going to want to click on Connect your existing shipping carrier account to use your own rates. This option makes it possible to input details from your carrier accounts directly into Shopify, a seamless way to automate the calculation of shipping rates based on real-time data directly from your preferred carrier. It helps ensure your pricing is both competitive and accurate. That wraps up our guide on connecting your shipping carrier to Shopify. Once you have set this up, your customers will benefit from precise shipping rates during checkout, enhancing their overall shopping experience. Remember, little improvements in this process contribute significantly to customer satisfaction and can lead to repeat business. Thank you for joining me today in this tutorial. If you found this information helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and guides to optimize your Shopify store. Happy selling!